What is he selling? Chocolate.
I say someone.
Oh, this is you.
Oh,
Hello.
I'll beat you,
Where,
silly. Come here.
where the grandpa at?
Oh, Grandpa Ola here, my friend. Follow me. Grandpa, you got a visitor.
Grandpa. What is he selling? Chocolate. I hear a chainsaw. Yo, suh, dude. Wow, what the, bro? You no, no.
I found blood, so I gotta
My
go give it
boy,
to
I am
Grandpa.
I'm on your side. Oh, I found the basement. Okay.
Oh my gosh, she broke my
I see
ankles
her.
again. Get her, Nick, get her, Nick, get her,
Oh, okay. Go to the other
get her.
side. Go to the other
I'll go to
side.
the other side. Yep. Stay on this side. Stay on this side. I'm closing this real
Okay,
quick.
well, she ran away. Wow, we have the IQ of the actual, the actual family too. Oh God. Okay. Whoa! She's right there. That's you. Never mind. Okay. Oh, you huh? Bro. What? There's one left.
Come out where? I
I
don't
found
understand this
him.
game.
I found him. I found
Where?
him. I found him.
Where's he at? Where's he
Near
at?
Grandpa.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
What the? He just pushed me over.
Where at by Grandpa? Here's Johnny. Nick, I'm coming. Nick,
I'm
I'm coming.
spamming. Hey. Okay, there we go. Yep, I think he's dead.
I'm here.
We got one
Couldn't be
of
me,
them.
Bozo.
What the heck is going on? He just split into two. There's two leather faces. What?
What?
What? I... Oh, okay.
I'm making my way through the dungeon, bro.
Yeah, I hear that.
I see someone.
It's me.
Oh,
Bam, 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 bam. I saw you.
where's he at? I'm gonna slaughter him. Yo. I see someone. They're in yellow.
Yeah.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting for them. When they come through this door, Nick, they're dead.
Oh, I'm getting him.
Wait, never mind. I'm up here. I thought that led to a basement. Oh my gosh, I hear it going. Ah,
Oh
come
no.
here.
What the?
Ah.
There might have been another one
Oh, wait,
that
that's a
direction.
cook.
I'm not sure. I see someone.
Making an entrance.
Get him,
Where
Nick.
did
Get
you
him.
go?
I don't know,
There
but
we
I'm
go.
making an entrance. I'm so good with Leatherface, bro. Oh, I need to close this door. This leads to the front entrance. I can just escape.
Brother. Oh, you are goofy.
Is he upstairs?
Yeah.
Like,
Well, she. But... Oh my god, you're kidding me, dude.
yo, Leatherface can just constantly.
Ow! I just smacked my
You're so
finger on
funny.
my desk. Brother, there's no way.
I can air thrust. Oh,
What? This is very unexpected. Oh, I found someone else.
Upstairs or
It's the
downstairs?
dude, it's the dude, it's the dude.
I slaughtered Johnny. Oh, I hear him being mauled down there. Don't worry, because Leatherface is gonna make it an even more fun
Hey,
time.
there's two up here, dude.
Oh, up there? I thought it was
Yes,
downstairs. I'm coming, Nick.
out front.
I'm
What the heck
coming.
was that? Oh, there's stamina. Oh my god, bro.
Yeah, I see you. Lead him to me, Nick.
I'm not gonna lead him to you. You gotta come over here.
Oh, this is the cook. Wait. I thought that was you. Wait, where are you at?
I'm out front, kinda.
I don't see you on the white thing. But I know where the front is, so I'm coming.
There we go. I'm getting one.
Nice.
Why? I'm just good at this game. It's
You're built
crazy.
different. Nice.
I'm down
The
five.
final
Right now.
victim.
Okay, they were right next to me, dude. Oh, I see them right now. Okay, cool.
Get him, Nick. Get him.
Idiot.
Oh, you're up there. I'm coming, Nick. I see him.
She's
Get him,
dead.
Nick. Get him. Nice. Dude, we're just too good at this game. Good job, Nick.
Yeah.
Yo,
I
Leatherface.
did all of the work, but okay.
What do you mean? I mean, you did all the work. I slaughtered someone in the beginning.
Bro, why can't we have a better loading screen? It always starts with Leatherface cutting the same woman in half.
Oh, there we go. Two other faces. Oh, my guy. I already forgot his name. It's time. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's time. Can I go into the crawl space? Can I not crouch as this character? Are you kidding?
Wait, you're able to crouch as a killer?
You can crouch as the guy I was most of the time, yeah. So you can't crouch as the old guy either?
No. I didn't know you could crouch at all.
Oh.
Wait, what button is it?
It was just B when Grandpa moves.
Grandpa.
Grandma. Grandma? Why did I say
Grandma.
Grandpa?
Lord.
What the?
They're right next to me. They're about to hear me rev
Oh,
my
yo, yo,
chainsaw.
yo.
I'm about to chase
Come
this
here,
sucker
boy.
down.
Dude, this guy is slow. What do you... Somebody just dropped downstairs, I think, is where the well goes.
Nick, they're right next to me.
Someone fell downstairs through a well, if you know where that goes.
No.
Well, thanks for being useful. No,
He just hit me down. This little crap.
and then
See,
there
I'm
were
running
two.
too.
Oh, okay, somebody just went upstairs, because I closed the door behind me and now it's open.
I messed this guy up, bro. Like, he's messed up bad. I hit him twice. He's one shot.
Oh, that's the... Yep. This way.
What where? Oh, I see him. I see Grandpa. He yellow. Grandpa,
Yellow
I
Grandpa,
got your
yellow Grandpa.
food. I see how it is.
Disconnected.
You get to let him
Oh,
drink
also
you
that.
first.
What?
I see how it is, you little crap. Let me drink. Let me give him my blood, bro. Here you go, Grandpa. Right. The Leatherface is going.
Boy, you're a chainsaw. Oh, I saw you.
You saw me?
Hello. I see you through the window.
Where? Wait, where?
Go forward. Oh, no, never mind. Okay, that's fine.
Oh, I see you, my friend.
Hello. Oh, hello. Keep the door open. Keep the door open. Keep it open. Okay. Hi. How's your day? I just walked outside and then I hear you just
Hello, my
losing
friend.
your...
But you already know there's some like 2-year-old kid playing this game and is scared out of his mind and he's like hiding because he don't know how to play this game.
That was a noise.
Yeah, I think Grandpa leveled
Oh,
up.
person. How's your
Where?
day going? I just found the 2-year-old you were
Oh.
talking about.
Are you? Was he actually hiding?
Mm-hmm.
Are you killing him?
They were just in a bunch of bushes. In the corner of the map.
Look at this bozo.
Jeez. Hi. I just found another one. I found another one. I found
Is he
another one. I
hiding?
found another one.
Is he the
Oh,
2-year-old
they
that's
were
hiding?
actually kind of walking around. Oh my
Where?
god. Dude, the hitchhiker is so good.
I'm
because
gonna stop my engine.
Oh my god. Oh, sup, dude, you idiot. They're right on me, dude.
Where are you? Nick, thanks for helping me, man. Where are you?
I'm in, like, the way back of the map. Dean, did you find them?
Yeah, they're kind of dead now.
That
Oh, I'm about
answers
to
my
decapitate 'em.
question.
Oh! Oh! They're kind of dead now.
Showed up late, but I got here.
Hold on, where the bass, ayy? Yo, bitch, butter face, ayy. Please stay out my space, ayy. Weed from outer space, I'm just trying to get the face, yeah. Off of the rip, I just took a blue pill, shot a Matrix, yeah. Flex off the wrist, break your neck with a twist, yeah. Sonic Hedgehog with the dip. Skirt.